about halfway through.
Put it on speed. See if it starts missing again. I think it's missing right now. It is. Yeah.
I think it's missing worse.
Duh.
Smell it? Smell the gas? Yeah, it's got a foul plug.
That was instant too. Went into reduced power mode and did that.
It's acting like the Cobra. It misses at idle, but pulls just fine.
It did still pull. I guess we'll have to see if plugs fix it in the morning.
I'm about to pull them right now.
You gonna pull the plugs right now?
Yep. Juke will be here in the morning, so we just take that to go get new ones.
Yeah. You can hear it missing. Alright, you can tell.
Hold that coil. Grab a rag or something. Never mind.
Was it hot?
Yes.
Completely dead cylinder. Hoping it's a plug. The engine cover holds all the heat, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Right in the middle of a race. It said reduced engine power. And then the check engine light was flashing.
I mean, we was getting beat anyway.
Yeah, but that did not help.
It definitely did not help.
So is that the front plug?
Yeah, this one's
Good.
fine.
Let me turn my light on. So that one was fine. You looking for a really black one?
Something that ain't right. God damn.
Hey.
I bet it's this one anyway. So we're just gonna try this one. No, it's fine.
That's a weird looking plug.
Long as fuck, isn't it?
Yeah, I've never seen that message on this. Reduced engine power. So the front one and the back middle one's fine.
Fine.
Uh-oh. You gotta pull the easy to get to one. We're back here. Ooh, what if it's not a plug?
I'm still gonna change the plug. It'd be the easiest way to figure it out.
What if you get Anthony's scope? Take a look down in there, huh?
if it's a misfire, it's either a plug or a coil. Just want you to know, shouldn't move like that. Those don't.
You think it broke itself midway through the race?
When I was frying that fuel on up, it cracked it. What the fuck? That's it.
Maybe it did. Still in there a little bit?
Yeah, it fucking worked itself back in there.
Hot. All this is hot.
It's fun too.
Okay, so the plugs look fine. So maybe it's one of these.
Well, honestly, if the plugs was, if one of those was bad, you'd see it on the plugs. Ooh, actually, this one does look a lot darker than that. Not anymore.
I don't think they're all the same. Nothing that would be completely dead cylinder like it was doing. What do you think it is?
Mm-hmm.
The only thing you can do right now is try new plugs.
Mm-hmm. That thing is just $30.
These are high. $8 each.
Yep.
Well, I guess we'll find out tomorrow. Put new plugs in it and see how it does. How much are these though?
No, I'm sure those are fucking ridiculous.
I'm sure those are quite high. Well, I guess she's sitting here for the night. Ooh. So we're putting the plugs back in.
Yep.
And we're going to take this right here and see what codes it through last night. And what'd you look up to figure out?
It was through a code for the boost sensor and the barometric sensor, which means that somewhere they're not reading what those two sensors are reading aren't correlating. There's something that's off about one of them. So more than likely it ain't gonna be nothing.
So the rough idle could be that.
More than likely I need those two sensors. I need one of those two sensors to be replaced.
So you're probably gonna have to do both of them. You're gonna replace one and hope it was that one?
No, what I'm hoping is I'm hoping it was leaking out of the nitrous nozzle, which is right above the boost sensor, or that the boost sensor was just not plugged in very well, or which the barometric sensor is on the map sensor. And I'm not completely sure where that's at.
It's over there somewhere.
Yeah, it's on the intake manifold, I know, but
So that missing like that could be a sensor, which would be great.
oh, it's right here. Right here's the map sensor. Come over here.
I see it. There it is. So it'd be really great if it was that. Yeah, because a little bitty leak out of that nitrous piece there would definitely make it think funny, huh?
Yeah. It'd be sensing that it's putting in so much boost, and then all of a sudden,
It
sense that it has so much boost right here, and then all of a sudden it leaks out here, and it
couldn't be this, could it?
detects something different right there.
You had that off.
No, that's a quick connect.
Okay, so
It seals easy.
alright.
It's easy to put on.
So it's
Also got the nitrous kit wiring done.
yeah.
I need to tape up the soldered ends, but other than that, it's done.
It doesn't look bad. Everything's gonna be under the engine cover.
Except for this plug for the hot wire.
Yeah, and that blue ass wire right there.
Yeah, that's speaker wire. I'm just going to tell everybody it's
That's
the
all we
system.
had.
I'm just going to tell everybody it's the system.
Yeah, we got a system wired up in this. That's all we had left because we ran out of the red wire.
Yep.
You work with what you got.
And all of that up here, this extra terminal up top connects to this harness I made. That actually connects right here. Left enough wire, probably too much, that's why I ran out. And it goes to the arming switch, which goes to the hot off the traction control. So you can't turn on your nitrous without turning on traction control. Or
Turning off
turning it
traction
off.
control. So you gotta hit the traction control button,
Then
then the nitrous
a
are ready.
button. I'm actually going to build a bracket off of it with a lever that goes behind the pedal, so it acts just like a micro switch, but everyone's had the micro switch that goes bad. I don't think this one will.
Yeah, that's the easiest way to do that.
And then a ground. And it's ready to go.
So we're gonna see why it's running funny. Putting these plugs back in, start it up, hook that computer to it, and see what's going on. Here in just a second. Start her up. Yeah, that is rich right now. Rough idle. Really rough idle. Where you going? So what codes are it throwing?
Still body control.
7 body control module codes?
Yeah, I think it's just because it's not on.
72%. 76.
Fancy.
Got a fake ass Camaro because I'm reading it as a 16 and it's working.
I knew it would. It's all the same. 16, 17, and 18 are the same. Because that only reads up to a 16.
17 systems detected. 17.
There's 3 codes in the radio.
What, in the radio?
7 codes in the tire pressure monitor system.
Oh, well, yeah, that's understandable. There's no tire pressure monitors there. How many?
You want to read that paragraph?
Yeah, you gotta read that.
We ain't got time for all that now.
Sum it up.
It's saying that the TPMS system is not operable.
What's that
Yeah,
TPMS?
We're gonna shorten it up a little bit.
Tire pressure monitor system.
Well, I know that don't work. You ain't
We're not reading the whole paragraph.
got aftermarket wheels with no sensors in them. There's a paragraph about the tire pressure sensors.
all the same codes in the
No. You gotta have the engine running for that.
Check engine light on right now?
Nope. Then misfire cycle. Look at you.
boom, it just missed.
Getting this?
What's it saying?
Look, just look at the data. Look how hard it's misfiring.
Oh, I know it's misfiring right now.
See, misfire cycles.
But why is it doing that?
It's number one cylinder.
It's a hard misfire. Except we won't be in the misfire category, we'll be in the engine data logs. And then we'll pull it like that. Because it'll show the temperature.
From the passenger seat. Took me 2.5
Figuring
hours.
anything out?
That's fine.
That's pretty loud up here with the hood up. Them plugs actually look pretty good. You seen them?
Fuel rail pressure sensor, 435 psi.
That's lower than I read.
Just went up to 1800.
Got in a little bit of boost.
My fuel pressure sensor is 58.
Can't see
Right
what
at 58.
you can't see what them codes were though.
Ooh, wait a minute, hold on. It went up to 80.
Can you see what them codes were?
I don't have a code.
For the body control.
Cause we cleared the code out last night. It still ain't came back yet.
When you cleared it, what was it?
What was those codes, CJ? Last night? Hey.
Hold on, he's got some weird shit going on.
Oh really? You can hear it very clearly. Did you figure anything else out?
He sent me straight to voicemail. He must be doing something.
Yeah, the barrel's at 29.5 and the calculated barrel's at 28.9. But the actual barrel's at 30.7. But it looks like those are set values.
So that computer didn't tell you nothing?
No.
Didn't learn anything from that? Well, what's the next step? And I mean, it's got, okay. What's happening after? So you're gonna put new plugs in it? Okay, and then?
Oh, I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna unplug all the wires and plug them back up.
Make sure everything's connected right?
Huh?
Make sure everything's hooked up right?
Yeah, make sure everyone's got a good connection.
It's still missing bad, like completely dead cylinder. That's the pressure sensor, ain't it?
Yeah.
We didn't even mess with that back there.
Well, no.
You're just checking everything anyways.
The radiator is hot.
So you're gonna unplug each one and then see which ones.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got that one unplugged right there. It's way worse.
Yeah, right now it's only running on 2 cylinders.
It's running on 2 cylinders right now. That really didn't get much worse. I think it's that front cylinder. Front cylinder. Definitely front cylinder, huh? It's this one. It didn't, that's the best one it was on.
Didn't change much.
It's running better with that one unhooked than it is any of the rest of them. So it's that one, the front one. So it's just not missing as bad with it hooked up still. Yeah, see, that's bad.
And this one unplugged should make it real bad. Front cylinder.
It's this cylinder right here. So we have figured something out on this. Front cylinder's doing something funny.
Got a check engine light now.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm sure, yeah, from unhooking that. Yeah. It said, whoa, where did them coils go? Okay, so front cylinder's doing something funny. Well, good, it's easy to get to look at, you know. Oh my God, dude. The fan's on. Oh my God, it's hot in here. Did it go into lamp mode when you did that? The fan's on.
Probably did.
The fan comes on if you have a serious check engine light. After you turn the car off, the fan will come on. I guess it assumes it's hot.
It just goes safe. Turns the fan on just in case.
So what's the plan with this? Now that we're pretty sure it's the front.
Plug looks fine though.
Did you say Anthony has that tool?
Borescope?
Think we can take a look in there with that?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, well, we've kind of narrowed it down to the front of the motor. Okay, so we swapped this one with this one. We're gonna see if it's a cool. We're gonna unplug them like we did a while ago and see. Unplug that front one now. See what it does. It changed, but it barely changed. That was bad. So it's not the cool, huh? Front cylinder still acts a little funny. See, it changes, but it doesn't. It's not as bad as the rest of them. So it's not the cold. It's not good. What you want to go?
What I did?
Took it out and gave it hell, and what happened?
Oh, rev limiter?
Yeah, rev limiter
Hey,
bad.
look, running like this, it's still got 4.5 seconds. 0 to 60.
Running bad. Still got 4.5.
And it's spun more than it's ever spun.
She's got some oil coming out. It stinks. Smells like a damn weed eater. Is it having trouble catching the idle? Is it having trouble idling? That does not sound good back there.
I installed a cam, bro.
What do you think about the cam?
Put a cam in
here.
here.
Yeah. Right.
I got 2 engine codes. Let's see what they are.
Misfire detected.
That's
Coil
from-
2 control circuit.
That's from where I was unplugging the shit. The stuff. Sorry.
Sounds like a
Two little
Subaru.
kids over here.
What?
Nothing. You'll see when you listen to the video. Access granted.
I think you should just leave it like that. That sounds cool.
That does not sound cool. That does not sound cool. That sounds terrible.
Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
Dude, you see where we're from? Nobody knows anything about cars.
Are you doing that? Really? It's not happy right now. You hear that? It's doing that by itself. That ain't saying nothing?
No, I'm clearing everything.
Okay, well.
Problem solved. It's
What
big.
code did it throw?
The stuff that we was doing to it.
Yeah. They're
Well-
telling me that the
4.5.
ignition was.
That's not bad.
But some of the coils were unplugged. Which I did.
I'm not doing what? So you got the brand new plugs in there, huh?
Yeah, so we can start it up and listen to it do the same thing.
Yeah, new plug's probably not gonna fix that problem, but let's go check it out. It's missing bad.
You fixed it.
Same thing as doing. Dude, your fan just turned on super mega turbo high. Yeah. Well then, what now?
Gotta be PCB.
Think so?
Is it stuck open or stuck closed?
Someday we'll find out.
I think it's stuck open.
When do you think you can get one of those? Friday?
They're cheap. They're only $15.